Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In our last video, we looked at union and union all in BigQuery. Today, we're going to cover the other set operations, intersect and except. These operators help us compare results between queries in a very straightforward way. Let's start with intersect. The intersect operator returns only the rows that are common to both queries. In other words, it gives you the overlap. For example, if we want to find all customer IDs that appear in both the customers table and the orders table, we can write select customer ID. From customers, intersect distinct, select customer ID. From orders, this will return only the customer IDs that exist in both tables. You may notice I used intersect distinct. In BigQuery, intersect automatically removes duplicates, just like union does. Now let's move on to except. The except operator returns rows from the first query that are not present in the second query. For example, if we want to find customer IDs that exist in the customers table but do not have any matching records in the orders table, we can write select customer ID. From customers, except distinct, select customer ID. From orders, this will give us customer IDs who are in our customers table but haven't placed an order. A couple of important points to remember. Both intersect and except work only when the queries have the same number of columns and the columns are of compatible data types. Also, like union, these operators remove duplicates by default. And that's it for intersect and except in BigQuery. Together with union and union all, these operators give you a full set of tools to combine or compare query results. In the next video, we'll move on to another powerful concept in SQL, subqueries, and how they can make your queries more flexible. Thanks for watching Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.